What's up guys? Welcome to Super Jake TV. Hey, it's me Sir Jake, and for today's video, I will teach you how to create a straight-through cable. For today's video, I'll teach you how to create a straight-through Ethernet LAN cable using a straight method. Straight-through Ethernet cable is a LAN cable used to connect the similar devices such as computer to switches. Here's the quick guide for the straight method. Strip, twist, range, array, insert, grab, hold, and test. But before we proceed, safety first. We must follow the OHS or Occupational Health and Safety procedures to ensure our safety while we are working with our task. Select and use appropriate tool. Clean your work area and tools before and after use. Do not use excessive force if things do not quite slip into place. Here are the tools and materials needed. Crimping tool, wire stripper, LAN tester, UTP Ethernet cable Cat5e, and RJ45. I believe you are now prepared with our task today. Banat na! Step 1. Strip the jacket. Measure about 1 to 2 inches from the end of the cable. Place that section into the stripper and gently rotate to lightly cut only the outer jacket. Bend and slide off the loosened jacket to expose the inner wires. Remember, check if none of the insulation on the small wires is cut or damaged or no nicks. Step 2. Twist. Twist pairs straight. Gently separate the 4 twisted pairs. Then carefully untwist only the last 1 to 2 inches of each pair so the 8 individual wires are no longer tangled. Run your fingers along the untwisted parts to straighten each wire and make their ends line up evenly, ready to be arranged in the correct color order. Step 3. Range. Range the colors. Gently separate the 8 wires and arrange them side by side in this exact left to right order. Orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, and brown. Pinch the arranged wires between your fingers to keep them flat, straight, and in that same order, ready for trimming and insertion into RJ45 connector. Step 4. Array. Array pins. Line up the 8 straightened wires in the correct color order for your chosen standard. For example, T568B standard. So each color is in its proper position from pin 1 to pin 8, just like in the wiring diagram. While keeping that order tight and flat, slide the wires together into RJ45 connector until all tips reach the front of the plug and the cable jacket is inside the connector, ensuring every pin has a wire before crimping. Step 5. Insert. Insert into RJ45. Hold the RJ45 connector with the tabs facing down outward and the gold pins facing away from you. Align the flat row of 8 wires straight into the connector slots and push firmly until the cable jacket enters the plug and all wire ends are visible at the front. Step 6. Grab. Grab the crimper. Insert the RJ45 connector fully into the crimping tool slot with wires visible at the front. Squeeze the handles firmly in one continuous motion until the tool releases, ensuring all pins pierce the wires securely. Step 7. Hold the connector and the cable firmly, then give the cable a gentle tug while watching the wire tips and the jacket. Confirm that none of the wires move or slide out and that the jacket stays clamped inside the plug. If anything shifts, cut it off and redo the crimp. The last step, test. Test the connection. Plug each end of the cable into the tester's jacks, making sure the connectors click into place. Turn on the tester and watch the LEDs. A good straight-through cable will show all pins from numbers 1 to 8 lighting in order on both sides, often as a full row of green lights. Now you already learned how to create a straight through Ethernet LAN cable following the straight method. See you next episode dito lang sa Super Jake TV.